fam, we're back with another video. We're doing J5 going suit shopping for my wedding with my wife. Let's get into it.
The tux look pretty good, so I'm finna come back and see for my real wedding day without nobody interrupting my shit. You feel me? So we're here at Men's Warehouse. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like.
Y'all remember that prank with Deshae? And he being petty. He's like, ain't nobody gonna interrupt this wedding.
Subscribe, make sure to hit the notification button, man. If you missed out on the last video I just did proposing to Brooklyn, go check out that video. Yeah, today we're just gonna walk up in here and just kind of like, just look at some outfits, look at some tuxes and stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna buy anything yet, you feel me? I gotta still look at my options, but hopefully we try on some tuxes, you feel me, and just see what's going on, man. So if you're new to the channel, you already know, like the video, I'm gonna slap you, nigga. And it's good, let's go. All right, y'all, so I don't know how they gonna act with us recording here, but I gotta record these for me. This is my life. This is what I do for life, you feel me? I'm showing y'all me getting married, you feel me? Listen to this, man. When I was young, man, you know, I always dreamt of getting married, you feel me? I had an affair with a dolphin. It was like a pillow dolphin. It's really not that serious. It's honestly like, it's just like a little baby story, but.
Jay. Y'all pray for Jay.
When I was younger, I tried to get married to my dolphin, you feel me? It's really like a long story, but I took my dolphin, I took like the play dolphin to like my friend, one of my football team house, and his brother pissed on it. So it's really not a long story. But I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I don't even know my size. I've never like even got tailored before, you feel me? I never even got tailored. How'd that look, Asian?
That's way too big, sweetheart.
You look mad funny.
I do, bro. What if I put up to my wedding on, like, what if I put up to the wedding, like, on some big clothes type shit? How do I look, though? Do I look, like, presentable, though?
Bro, you just look in the mirror.
Just look in the mirror? Fuck it. Listen. Yeah, we're just recording for, like, a documentary. I'm trying to get married.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
When's the marriage?
Huh?
When's the wedding?
When's the wedding? I don't know. I just proposed yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Thank you, man.
Just browse around. If you have any questions, I will be around to help you guys.
Okay, thank you, man. I appreciate that. I don't know, bro. I don't know how this.
Buzz down.
Buzz down? I don't know, bro. I'm really feeling this shit low key. Low key feeling it. I don't know. How you feel about this shit?
You look sturdy.
I low key do. It's like on some like this fashion nowadays, though. This is what fashion is called, like this. That's fashion, though. You feel me? You can't really get mad at that type. I don't know, though. Almost like some Kanye type shit. Fuck it, let's try another one. Let's try another suit. I don't know, I want to look like this guy, though. I kind of want to look more like together like him, you know? I feel like he looks together. I don't look at him and look at me. He looks more together, huh? That's what I'm saying. Yeah, like, I don't want to look like him. I don't want to look like this little dog thing right here. You know, he looks really unput together. You feel me? Might try to tie, probably. It's probably like, I got to tie things in together. You feel me? Damn, they're all like tied together, though. I want one I could just put on, like a used one. All right. I don't know, I never grew up with like somebody to teach me how to put on a tie.
What thing?
I'm just fucking with you. Oh, I think it is, right? Huh? Oh, yeah, that's how you choke it.
That is very complicated, though.
But I don't know, bro. All right, let's see. Oh, another one. Oh, it's a loose one. Yeah, it's good. I think they're laughing at me. I don't know. How do I look? Do I look more sophisticated with this one?
Yeah, the
You fuck with it?
together.
It does? It does?
Yeah.
I need a handkerchief.
Yeah, you him.
I'm him?
You him.
For real?
Yup.
Brooklyn, would you marry me? I don't know, bro. I feel like these pants are a little too tight. And bro, these shit's plenty as hell, bro. How you doing, sir? I don't know, bro. I don't think I'm feeling it, Adrian. I don't think I'm feeling it.
Come on, you can't go in the wedding like this.
Can't. Do you feel like I'm ready for marriage, Adrian? Like, let's have a bro talk. Let's have a bro talk.
It's up to you, bro.
So do you really feel like I'm ready for marriage?
I'm be real with you. I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
I don't know. Like, I just met you today earlier, like in the morning.
I'm just.
Jay, You might as well ask me because I know you better than he do if you just met him today. But you know, you need a man's perspective though. So I ain't hating. I'm just saying. That's a hard question to ask if somebody ain't met Brooklyn though.
I know. I really don't know.
You know?
What you?
I don't know. I feel like I really love this girl, you know?
How long you been with her?
About like a year. Yeah. She's a really cool girl though.
I mean, if you think she's the one.
I think she is the one. I think she's the one.
That's your answer. That's your answer.
Should I get help? I think I should ask for help, huh?
Yes.
I think so.
Should I ask the dude to help me?
Yes.
I don't know. I don't think I'm ready for marriage, but I don't want to back out my marriage like that.
See, you doubting yourself.
I'm doubting myself.
You doubting yourself. That's a
I think I'm man enough, though. Do you think I'm man enough? Like if you see me on the street, type, what, like, do I install fear in you?
Like a threat?
Yeah. I have to be a threat, though, right?
Yeah.
Because I can't.
I don't know.
I don't know. I'm trying to really see though. I'm really, I really want to be fit. You know. I'm trying to find, bro. I take this thing off. Let me see. I'm just put this right here along with that right there.
So arms out, please.
All right.
Arms down, please.
What's the biggest man you've ever measured?
54.
54 years old.
Oh no, 54 chest size. Meaning that for some reference, we're at a 37 right now.
37.
Yes, sir.
Damn, I got a big chest.
So add your chest size.
Yeah.
Plus like another you.
Another me chest.
Another you chest.
It's a really big chest right there.
Like a big guy.
Yeah, it's a big. Yeah.
He actually comes here pretty often. He's
Damn.
one of my customers.
Oh shit. So a person that needs a suit all the time, what do they do? Like, what are they doing?
People who need suits all the time, they usually get a custom suit.
Yeah.
Custom measurements, all that stuff. Or they just get a really nice tailored suit. They get one off the rack and then just tailor it really nicely. I recommend for your wedding, it's a really nice tailored suit is going to get the job done.
Really?
Yeah. If you're not wearing suits every day, that is.
Yeah, no, I don't wear suits every day. I want to wear a suit. You know, I might start doing that. I think I should wear suits every day. What if I don't do nothing? Like I have no job.
I mean, you could just take Instagram pictures with it, you know?
I fuck with that.
Like just be,
Fuck with that. See,
on the gram,
that's why I really wanted you to help me. I didn't want them to help me. I feel like they're racist. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, Calvin Klein. It's a little expensive. Yeah, this is way better.
Much better, Jay. I like it.
It's better. This is way better than the bigger one though.
But you got a mirror right here too. Come check this out.
Oh yeah. Damn, I feel like Ghost. Man.
I probably won't, bro.
I think you should, bro. You should try to get him married.
Ain't for everybody.
You're right.
How old are you? 20.
Oh yeah, come on, man. Sure. I don't know, man. I feel like I got a big head. Yeah, I probably just need that cut, man. I don't know, bro.
That's fitting nicely.
I'm kind of thinking about not getting married anymore.
Wow, what's going on?
I don't know, bro. She just doesn't cook for me anymore.
Yeah, you gotta get somebody.
Sir, how you gonna ask her 3 times and then you gonna think about it? Get out of here, Jay. Get out of here.
Yeah, it's not the same, you know? I don't know. It's like, I don't know if she's falling out of love with me, you know? That's why I proposed. I thought she was like not fucking with me. I don't know. Like this.
I mean, maybe the marriage will like spark things back.
Yeah. I don't know. She's becoming like today. She made a noodle. She didn't make me a noodle, you know? It's like little things.
Y'all live together?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, she should make you something.
Yeah, why is she not making me? That's what I'm saying. I don't know. Agencies.
Like, if you eating, then what
am I eating type, you know?
Yeah.
Like, bro. But then it's like, I don't know, bro. I don't know. It's like we opened up about secrets. I told her I ate butt before, and now she won't secretly eat off me now. Now she won't eat off me. But we're grown at the end of the day.
Yeah, no, but that was like a while ago, though. It's not like I...
No, it was recent.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But it doesn't matter, though. We're in a relationship. You know, stuff like that matters. Have you ever ate butt before?
I have.
Dang, you have? I was just playing.
Well, no. I ain't playing, bro.
Oh, shit, you're not playing?
Oh, you're a freak. Hell yeah, I'm a freak, bro.
Bro, you ate butt before, bro?
Hey. Don't play with me, bro.
Bro, you ate butt, bro?
Hell yeah, bro.
You prefer that?
Well, not prefer. Like, it's right there, you know?
It's just right there.
Like, when I'm eating the other thing, it's right there.
It's just right there.
It's literally right there.
It's just right
TMI, gentlemen. We talking about marriage and noodles, and then y'all go left on me. No, I don't need to know that about you, Mr. Salesperson.
There, but does it taste different?
Definitely.
It does?
Yeah, but you have them clean up before.
Oh, you have them clean up?
Yeah.
So is it like sour? Like different, like
Yeah, let's get back on the suits.
Yeah, I love these suits, man. These suits are very sharp.
But the 38 fit perfectly.
Yeah, the 38.
I know 38 slim fit is kind of the way to go.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's gonna be what we're looking for.
Yeah. You think when you get married is like coming with people the thing you do? Like, is that what you're supposed to do? Like, you come with people? Like when people are here on the wedding day, like, do they come with a group of people?
Usually, yeah. It's usually all the groomsmen.
All the groomsmen.
Like, you have all your groomsmen?
No, half of them are dead.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how many people are gonna be in your wedding?
Like 3.
Okay. Yeah, they usually show up because 3 is usually.
That's so sad. I'm sorry for your loss, Jay. That's very sad.
Like a standard. You usually have 3, 4. I never seen past like 7, 8.
Past 7?
Yeah.
So I gotta look for groomsmen and come back and buy everything. Huh? What days you work?
Well, I'm full time, so I'm gonna be working almost every day. My days off are inconsistent.
Yeah.
So usually just don't come like Tuesdays or Wednesdays. Usually my day off.
Okay.
But
So I'll be here tomorrow.
Tomorrow I'll be here.
Tomorrow, I'm here, bro. Hey man, thank you, man, bro. Appreciate you. Hey, keep eating the butt. Go butt.
It's not that sour, bro.
Nah, oh, you freaking, man. I don't know, bro. I feel like my wedding day should spice things up. Where's some of these?
You're retired, huh?
You're freaky, bro. You can stop. She right there. Hey, yo, bro. Who the fuck packs in the thong, bro? All right, we out of here, man. We out of here, bro. They kicked us out, bro. They kicked us out, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know. You never know, bro. Oh, it's wind right here, y'all. The mic may be getting a little windy, so I'm just gonna help y'all like this. I'm just gonna put this on top. Okay, can you put this on? I'm sorry. It was a really funny video, though. The dude was really funny. He said he ate.
I like that mic. That is nice.
He said he eats ass.
Really?
Yeah, I swear to God. He's like, yeah, I eat butt all the time. I said, I was just playing. Thank you guys for watching the video, man. I'm going to be back here tomorrow with all my friends, with all my groomsmen, man. And we're going to be back here, and we're just going to try, you feel me, just trying on a suit, you feel me, have all my people, you feel me. And we're going to try to find a good suit for me, you feel me, find a real nice fitted suit. You feel me? I'm not going to, like the first suit, we're not getting like that, you feel me. But it is your time to get married, man. If you're watching this, or if you're a girl watching this with a man, tell your man to marry you tomorrow. If he doesn't marry, he doesn't love you. This is for the boys. I don't know what she's talking about. Fuck what she's talking about. But I love y'all, man. Hey, thank y'all for watching the video. Chain notifications, don't like the video, I'm going to slap you and your mama.
All right, like, comment, subscribe, share if you care.